Hi, welcome to Survival Lab. In episode 1, we prepared the brain of the system, generate the idea, and in episode 2, that was the generation layer. We generate the image, video, and send everything to Telegram for approval. In episode 3, this episode, the final one, getting the approval from the Telegram, we'll post everything to 5 platforms, then get the response, then update our Google Sheet, the logs, then send a confirmation to Telegram that all are posted. After finish the episode 3, you will learn how a full AI agent works for digital marketing. Let's finish it.
So, this approved. Now what to do? Now we have to post all platforms. Okay. The reason every platform has its own API. Instagram has one, Telegram, in TikTok has another, X has another. Each has a different authentication, different requirement, different format, settings, and like if you want to post video or image or text, you have to create different brands, different configurations. So which everything solved by the upload. So upload post solve this. You send one request to upload post and it handle all the platform for you. One API call, 5 platform done. If you go there, if you go to the pricing, so you know that it has a free like Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. These are the free schedule post. You can choose if you have more channel, unlimited post, then you can choose this one. All right. So it's a 2 profile, 2 for 1, 2 companies. Okay. It's a 5 profile. So there are lots of things. So I used generally the basic one because I have multiple projects to maintain. So let me log in and check. Trying is free. Maybe I already logged in, so I don't need to do anything. Okay. So you come to the uploadpost.com. You can create an account and you can connect with your, you can go to the API key. You can create your key, and that will require for later. And you can user mean your account. Like I connected 2 accounts with my company account and the Gym City. I create with Instagram, TikTok, and you also connected to the Reddit, Thread, Blue Sky, and more things, right? So it's up to you which platform you have to choose. For now, I use only 5, but you can choose more. It has the flexible. That's the beauty. All right. Also, you can it has options to schedule post. Also, you can prepare your own way. Lots of features are there. Okay, you can go there and check it. So let me come to here. Now we have to check if we approved or not. So we already approved. All right. So now I'm going to upload post that. So let me open all my platforms so you know how it look like. Okay. After upload post, we have to wait. This branch is coming. Sync for single image for carousel. So we have to wait. Okay. So let's start and test it how it works. So I already told you 5 platforms. I didn't connect to the LinkedIn. LinkedIn you don't need to require that kind of code because before going to here, so I can show you its configuration. So you can choose the resource, what kind of upload. All right, it's the same. You have the API key. I already showed you what is connected is coming to here. Okay, based on the platform, you can choose all the platform, which platform you want to. So then you can pick the idea, what you have to main content. All right. So you can override the Facebook title. You can, because TikTok has some limitation. So we have different TikTok caption. Diffuser has some limitation. You can override the YouTube. Otherwise, it will take the main one. All right. This is a common one. If you want to override, you can do that. Similarly, if you're in a video, if you do image, you can choose the image here. Okay, schedule date if you want to schedule. So it will post on the upload post with the date and time, and it will be post. So you can choose the time zone. You can choose the everything, and the Facebook page. Also, it's kind of reel or stories, or all the options are there. So if you have lots of options, it's combination, and it will be more if you choose here more. Okay, let's execute this step, and it is started. Let me execute the start, and let me go to our all social platform. This is our YouTube. Okay, so the new will be coming here. Okay, I'm waiting for that, and this is our TikTok account. Just waiting to check if it's uploaded or not. This is our Team City account, Twitter account. So let me check. Not posted yet. This is our Instagram. It not posted yet. It's our Facebook, and it not posted. So maybe there is something wrong. We have to check it. Okay, it's executing. It's not failed yet. So we have to wait for that. And you also get notification if it's failed or not sometime. Okay, so it's trying. So you can refresh and check if it's Facebook is posted or no. Okay, it's not posting yet. Alright, so it's still loading. Okay, still loading, it's still working. So yeah, let's wait. Well, I think it's posted. Yeah, exactly right. 8 seconds ago. Okay, so Twitter is done, and Instagram is not done yet, and Facebook, yeah, Facebook is done. See,
It's to build muscle. I know that is not what the fitness industry
and the captions, what
wants you to hear, but it is the truth.
Instagram. No, Instagram is taking time. I don't know why. See how it works. So if we see in the schema, so what happened? JSON upload post. So okay, so this is the real ID. YouTube. Okay. Facebook. This one, Facebook, Instagram, you already posted. If it's failed, then it must show the X is already posted. The result in school. Okay, it's cool. All are true. Success true. Alright, this one is also posted. So why the I can refresh Instagram. Okay, it's it's posted. Alright, so it's same image. Yes, it's already posted. It's already there. And it's already posted. I don't know. It's
Okay, real talk.
so that's it. The upload post is set up, is done, and our waiting time is also done. Then I asked Claude to prepare if you remember, we have a post log that need to be posted. Alright, so we have to prepare this message which will require to post on our Google Sheet, so we know what is posted. So our log post. So if you remember, we have date, platform, layer, pillar, a whole image URL. So let me show you the posted log. So how it look like. Okay, so here. So this is the one we just posted. Oh no, it's not posted yet. It will be posted after executing. Alright. So let me execute and check. Yeah, so it's coming. And this is our image URL, file, Instagram URL, Facebook URL, TikTok URL. So all are there. So this way we know what has been posted where. Now the final one, confirmation. So after this one I approved. Now I have to wait, and it will send me a confirmation message. Say like this. It send me Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, all the URLs. Okay. Maybe I forgot to put the YouTube, but it's good. So this is the thing. So if you know what happened, the whole thing I already show you. It's pretty interesting, and a complete, graphics designer, digital marketer. So everything is automated. So let's go back to this. And let's get back to our section, and that's it. So that's the last note. There's a full loop from Google Sheet to live post, and it's completely automatic. I show you. It's a long video, but interesting because I want to share what I have done. And that's it. We just prepared a full AI agent using 3 episodes. Google Sheet, Claude AI, 11 Labs, Upload Post, Creatomate, Cloudinary, all are connected automatically.
30 posts a month, less than $100, zero manual work, 4 digital marketing agent is ready for you. Zero manual work. If you build with me, congratulations. You just completed one of the most time-consuming part of running a business. One more thing, if you want my n8n workflow, you just write a build in the comment and click on the Google form, fill up with your name, email and username of YouTube. I will send you the workflow JSON file. You just import that and put your API key, it will run, ready to run. If you have any questions, drop a comment, of your question. I will reply each and every one. If you like it and want to get connected, there is a link in the description of my LinkedIn account. You can connect with me or send me a message there. Subscribe for more build like this. See you in the next one. Bye.